Hello, hi, and welcome to Sandpaper. So, again, extreme hectic because the mock interviews have started here, and we are so happy to announce that amar almost all sessions. Khali 8 November or khali ase. 7 November we have I think 2 slots left, but we are completely booked in all the slots for the APSC mock interview for Sandpaper Academy for Civil Services till 11th November. 11th November lake amar gotebo slot filled hoy ase. 15th ejon dujon ase I think. 12 to ase ejon dujon, but completely filled nohoy ami. But 11th November lake we are completely filled up. Aru 7 November to khali ase. And aji sake interview list to already ulaise. So now the seats are getting filled up even faster. I am so happy and I am so filled with gratitude je apunaloke amak chances to mentor you. So in light of this mentorship only, joabar juntu moi message to the students who could not clear APSC Mains, the last of all I talked about AKSHAY batch. So last of all jehetu I talked about AKSHAY batch, it created a lot of confusion. What are the features of the batch? Weekend hobo ne weekday hobo? How is it going to be? Is it a main special batch? So I thought, why not create a different video jot ma apnalokok kobo parim what is the speciality of AKSHAY batch. Like I said, initially we had planned that we will launch AKSHAY batch by December or January. This was our initial plan, but jehetu more number of students have started to inquire. I'm not talking about enrollment, but number of students inquiry is very high. It's very high, and gute hokol student ok with time low bhalke bujai thakatke, I thought why not make a video so that we can completely and very clearly make you understand what we are planning for you in AKSHAY batch. So this is our poster juntu sake apnalake dekhise aru hekarone phone ahise. So AKSHAY batch is a special batch. It is an advanced batch. It is an advanced batch. Aru this is only for students who have cleared prelims before. Jodi apuni bare bare mains di ase aru apuni pass hua nai, jodi apuni bare bare interviewed bohi ase aru tothapio apuni pass hua nai, I think AKSHAY batch is your answer. Because yat jodi apni bare bare interview or bare bare mains or bohi ase, I keep on saying this, the problem is not your content, the problem is your execution. Okay, so what are we going to do that we will see ahead. But AKSHAY batch we are particularly concentrating on the advanced students who are the ones who have cleared prelims before. So before going to this, let me take you through step by step the design of the program. So number one point is, who is it for? Like, who are we making this course for? This is particularly for prelims qualified candidate. Prelims qualified candidate. So this is for people who have prelims cleared prelims before. Jodi apuni more than one mains likhise and you are not able to pass, jodi apuni more than one interview bohise and you are not able to pass, then I think you need proper mentorship, you need help, aru kobat na kobat apunar bat to dekhwai diar dorkar porise, and we are here to do that exact thing for you. Jun hokol students e bhabise ki this is a normal mains aim kora batch. No, this is not a normal mains aim kora batch. So if you are a fresher, we will not be able to give you entry to AKSHAY batch. Jodi apni completely new hoy, we will not be able to give you, because we have to make the foundation well. Arjun hokole prelims ever clear korise, we are of the opinion that your foundation to thike ase, because like I said, this is going to be an advanced batch, and advanced batch or karone we will need the prelims criteria, we will need the foundation. क्योंकि फाउंडेशन टू बिल्ड होले है মই तार ऊपर आपनालोকৰ बिल्डिंग टू बनाब পৰা হৈ আছে नेक्स्ट how the course will go ahead so this is very interesting and ami a to just brainstorm koribla find out korisu ki yar agot like I said we were not ready je ami akshay launch korim so jehetu suddenly time ahi goise to launch the batch so design of the batch is very interesting from Monday to Friday 3 days a week preferentially Monday Wednesday and Friday I am going to take your live answer writing classes live answer writing classes live essay classes we will learn to brainstorm je eta question ahile hetu analyze kore keneke we will learn how to brainstorm and all this is going to be done in the evening for 1 hour 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. okay so in the weekdays what is going to happen on Monday Wednesday and Friday I am going to take care of your execution part we will sit together in a meeting and each of you are going to learn how to brainstorm how to analyze and how to write a proper answer understood so after Monday Wednesday and Friday egita class hoar pisot Saturday and Sunday you are going to have regular classes so jonto Saturday or Sunday weekend batch ase hetu amar eta class ot solibo aru akshay batcher class we are posting it in another class so Saturday timing will be the same 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. will be the classes and Sunday morning 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. the classes will go on and crash course to apnalokor jetia start hobo then we will slowly integrate you to the crash course because jetia crash course start hobo tar mane apnalokor juntu notification ase that is already out and notification out hoise mane it is time to prepare for prelims okay so ako ebar koi diu what are we going to do in the weekdays of Monday Wednesday and Friday I am going to take the execution class classes where you are going to brainstorm analyze and learn how to write an answer an essay whatever okay we are going to do that every Monday Friday and Wednesday from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. we are going to sit together and we are going to learn how to do it all right also on the weekends from Saturday to Sunday 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. you are going to have regular classes and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. you are going to have regular classes so this is how we have designed the Akshay batch whose primary focus will be on the execution part this will go on till we start our crash course and once we start our crash course we will integrate you with our crash course because although we are doing this for 8 months which precisely means the APSC for next year kintu this year notification or juntu ulabo we will try to make you ready for this year's APSC as well although ideally we are doing this for the next year APSC but this crash course is going to be free for you and notification ulwar pisot depending on your choice if you want to take your time and you want to do it ekdam next year, then we will do regular classes for you. But if you want to appear this year as well, then we are going to integrate you with the crash course, and we are going to go ahead with the prep. Okay, now what is live Q&A? Live Q&A is a new concept, and Sandpaper-ACS loves new concepts. Sandpaper-ACS loves new concept. We love being innovative. So what is live Q&A? So you and I are sitting together. Ami class kori aso. You are looking at me, I'm looking at you, and I give you a question. What benefits have come from Khel Maharan? Example is okay. I give you this question, and of this question we are all going to brainstorm and give our points. Je ami ki bhabu, what are the benefits of the Khel Maharan? Aru he brainstorming to ami live session ot korim. You and I are going to sit together in the Zoom session, and you and I are going to do the class through our portal, and we will analyze, discuss, brainstorm, and with each of the students brainstorming, I will be telling you that you are in the right path or you are not in the right path. Then we will write the answer together. Heture ki hobo? We will develop speed, we will develop analysis, we will develop both the powers together, precisely the chabi to the tala of mains. Understood? So this is live Q&A session. Aziloke Northeast hua nai live Q&A session. So we are going to do it. Moi start korisilu live nohoy, but question and answer session ta moi korisilu aru bahut lora chole that comment to disile that we should be doing live Q&A session. So we are going to do live Q&A session in AKSHAY, and that is what we mean by this. And I think this is one stop solution to your problem in mains. This is the chabi. A chabi to naam hol AKSHAY. So this is the chabi to mains, and I think you should avail it, and I don't think anyone else has till now designed a specific program like this. Ita yar pisot jodi other people take the concept, ita beleg kotha, but till now no one has done that, and I don't think that you should miss this program. Next, how will it help? Like I said, testimonial kita moi diye thoisu agore mur slide asle jehetu etu thakise. These are the testimonial of how mains answer writing is Sandpaper's forte. Sandpaper-ACS's mains answer writing no one can beat. No one can beat. Impossible. Because here officers check themselves. Officers, former officers check themselves. So people who have already cracked the code, they are doing what? They are checking your paper, they are checking your answers, and they are letting you in the right direction. So how will it help? Number one, obviously you will learn how to brainstorm. You will learn how to be analytical. You will get one-on-one analysis every single day. One-to-one analysis every single day. Number 4 point, you will have increase in writing speed. You will have increase in writing speed. You will have a lot of brainstorming brain work. Apuni potokke eta question sai pele keneke bhabibo lage, he bhabato apuni hikibo, aru he bhabato hikibole you will need a lot of practice. And practice what makes a man perfect? So here we are aiming for perfection. Here we are aiming so that you do not get trapped in the loop of mains, because prelims bahut manhe pass hoy jay kintu mains pass hobo nware. That is precisely because you are not able to execute your knowledge well, and that is where Sandpaper Academy is going to help you. Okay, next, additional perks ki hoy? Additional perks, crash course junto amar ase prelims or prelims crash course is going to be free for you guys. Jodi apnaloke pass kore, mains crash course is going to be free for you guys. Mains answer writing to soliye ase, prelims juntu amar MCQ test series ase that is going to be free for you guys, and all of this is happening at only 25,000. This is the course fee, and we have kept it as minimum as we can. Tatke beyond ami jabo nuaru. We have a lot of things to pay, so 25,000 is the fee that we have kept, including GST. So barely 21,000 plus GST. So we are getting 21,000 and the rest government is getting. So 21,000 plus GST, which comes about 25,000. And we are planning to launch it by November 15th. We are planning to launch it by November 15th. And like I said, I will not take more than 30 kids because 30 jonor eta batchok moi daily answer writing বা one-on-one analysis দি থাকাটো বহুত কষ্টকৰ কথা হয়. So 30 জনতকে 30 days লিখিছো, 30 people আৰু 30 জনতকে বেছি I don't think I will be able to take, because 30 জনতকে বেছি হৈ গলে one-on-one হৈ নাথাকে, হেতু এটা ডাঙৰ batch হৈ যায় and one-on-one নাথাকেগে. So I'm not going to take more than 30 students for that. আৰু we have designed it we have very customized it to the point je apnalokor personal issues bu jate ami nije help korbo paru. And here registrations have already started. We have gotten a lot of inquiries, like I said, inquiries, but the inquiries are all very confused. Kenike hobo, ki hobo, what is going to happen. Manublage kismane bhabise je etu mains answer writing program hoy, kunbai bhabise je to regular class hoy. So itia moi ekane ei video to di pelai clarify kori dilu that what are we aiming for. Just the question is, are you ready to be with us? Are you ready to be our students? Are you ready to be mentored with us? Because as our students, we are very strict. We'll make sure you write your answers, we'll make sure you study, we make sure that you have really completed your syllabus. We'll come after you, padhai karo. That is what we aim for. And this is it. Like I will say again, November 15 pa we aim to start the batch, and 10 jon holeo I think I'll start the batch, because I will not wait for 30 to happen, but jun hokole pisot ahibo he hokolor sake olopman miss hobo. So it is good if you start the batch from the very beginning. Itiao amar lorasoli September batch join hoy ase. September batch jun hokol lorasoli join hoy ase. We are doing extra classes for them, so that they get coped up with the mainstream batch. But jehetu September batch holer itiao admission ahi ase the regular batch, so the same thing happens. Aru ami pray bhag extra class dibole pora situation on nathakim, because all of din episode the prelims crash course will start and it is going to be very rigorous. To hekane arambhoni pa loi loa bhal apnalokor leo amar sohoj hoy, amar subida hoy. Okay, so this is it. I hope I see you in the academy as my student, and till then, like, share, subscribe, Sandpaper Academy for Civil Services. Thank you.